everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So for today, well, let's just get it out the way. Yeah, I've been away from YouTube for months, really just because, you know, COVID-19. Got nothing better to do, and I just wanted to do a skincare video today because my skin has randomly decided to turn on me. I started seeing an esthetician back in November, and I go to her to get a facial once a month, and my skin has been loving it. My skin has been so clear, so glowy, rarely getting breakouts and things like that. My last facial was in March, right before like COVID-19 really became like a problem. So I haven't gotten one since. The main reason why I'm having these breakouts is because of my hair. Ever since I started working full-time, I have been keeping my hair in protective style so that I can get ready quicker in the morning. But now that I, work from my bed, I have actually decided to go back to my twist out. So I started going back to twist outs and whatnot last week. And in that week, my pillowcase, I guess, has gotten really oily. And the oil that I put on my hair, whatever I use for my hair, if it touches my skin always reacts to it. And so I guess I haven't changed my pillowcase quick enough because my skin has broken out significantly, mainly on my forehead, like up all the way up to my hairline, and then on this cheek, because it's the side that I sleep on. This side looks okay, honestly. Nothing's really wrong with my chin. I got this random breakout. You can't probably see it, but it's like on my lip. So yeah, my skin's just looking a hot mess. It doesn't look like horrible, but for me it looks really bad because I'm just going to be trying out some products, mainly these products from The Ordinary. I picked up 3 things from Ulta. Main product I'm trying to try out is this peeling solution, just because everybody's been trying this out and I want to see how it works with my skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face, and then we're gonna go ahead and try out this peeling solution. Alright, so my face has been washed, and I'm just gonna go ahead, try this stuff out. It says to ensure that your face is completely dry before using this, and my face is dry. So I'm just gonna go in. It's all on my face, and as for how it feels like a peel usually feels when I get them done from an esthetician. Like, it's just a little bit tingly, but it's nothing bad. So the bottle says to keep it on for no more than 10 minutes. So I'm going to set a timer. It's already been a minute, so I'm going to set a timer for 9 minutes, and I'll be back. Okay, so I rinsed off the peel and my face feels fine. It's a little bit tingly where my breakouts are, but other than that it feels fine. Okay, so now I'm just going to finish up my skincare. So I'm going to go in first with some toner. So I'm using this Thayer's facial toner, Witch Hazel, and this is the unscented. Okay, and then now I'm going to go in with these other Ordinary products. So I have the 100% plant-derived squalane, and then I have the hyaluronic acid 2% plus B5. You're supposed to use the hyaluronic acid one first and then use the squalane, so I'm going to apply that. And then I'm going to use my regular face moisturizer, which is literally just African shea butter. Okay, so that's all I'm gonna do. I'm gonna skip, I usually put an oil on top of this, but there's enough on my face right now, so I'm gonna skip it. Tomorrow I'm just gonna kind of check in and show you guys how my skin is looking. I don't plan on doing anything different tomorrow. I'm not gonna use the peel anymore in this video. The bottle says that you can use this 1 to 2 times a week, but I'm not trying to do that. I'm gonna be using this again. I'm just gonna see how it works. Just using it once and see how it works to get rid of my blemishes and my breakouts. And then hopefully once my skin clears up, I'll use some other masks that I picked up from Ulta. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, so day 2, like I said, just doing the same routine, just not using the peel. After I did my routine, my skin pretty much looked and felt the same, but good thing is that the peel didn't negatively affect my skin because my skin can be quite sensitive and I didn't have any type of reaction. So day 3, again, didn't change anything with my skincare. My cheeks did look a little bit better to me than day 1. My forehead kind of looked the same. I can't really tell, but I'm just going to say it looked the same. I did have an additional breakout right here, kind of next to my chin, I guess. And some that you can't really see, but I know that when you get facials, your face kind of purges and gets rid of those impurities, so I wasn't really worried about it. Day 4, forehead is looking a little bit better today, and I had a few breakouts kind of like in my temple area. I usually kind of get those when I'm cleaning up my brows, so I guess it's kind of normal for me. And then my right cheek is looking a little bit better. I have that one like major blemish, but other than that, it's improving, and my skin was really soft this day. Okay, next day, skin's improving, still purging though. That bump that's on the bottom part of my face is gotten bigger. My cheeks are improving, so is my forehead. It's just like those major bumps that are still there, and then those bumps that are along my hairline and temple, but I think that it's improving, just kind of purging. Okay, day 6, looking a little bit better as well. My forehead and my cheeks were looking a bit better, and then that bump, bottom part of my face, I don't think I was in frame for you to see it, but it was improving. Alright, so it is now day 9, and I know I skipped a few days, and that's because I wasn't actually home a few nights, so I wasn't able to record my face. But it's day 9, and pretty much my skin is like pretty much back to normal now. My forehead looks really good. Yeah, pretty much all of those bumps that looked kind of irritated, those are all gone. And then my cheek looks pretty much back to normal. There's still like a few like tiny blemishes, but it's not bad at all. And then I had some other ones kind of like in my temples, and those are pretty much gone as well. So now I'm going to move on to my next mask. And I'm going to be using the Boscia Luminizing Black Mask. So I'm going to use this to just kind of get rid of any extra texture on my face. With this mask, you do want to be kind of generous so that it really gets everything out, and then also it makes it easier to take it off. Alright, so my mask is all on, and I'll be back when it's dry for me to peel it off. Alright, so it's been however long. My face is like super tight, so I'm going to take this off. Alright, so there's still a little bit on my face, but I'm just going to get it off when I use my toner. So I'm just going to finish up my skincare. So that's it. So from using these new products, I definitely think my skin liked it, and my skin is back to how it was looking before. And I definitely really liked the 3 Ordinary products that I tried out. I'll definitely keep using them, and definitely keep using the peel. Like I said, I don't want to use the peel too often just because it is a peel, and I don't think peels should be used that often. So that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you liked this skincare video, please give this video a thumbs up, and I'll be sure to do more in the future. So that's it. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.